Did you know, guys, that ICT and multimedia make things easier and better in many ways? So, number one, it is easier to learn. For example, multimedia have pictures and sounds help us to understand and remember things better. So what are next? Next is better problem solvers, which is using computers and multimedia makes it easier to find answer and solve problems. There are lots of information for multimedia and ICT that gives us an access to tons of information. Next, using multimedia and ICT, we have the benefits of easy to talk. It's easy to talk to people far away. For example, using the messenger, we can now talk from far away people. Good morning. So here are some examples of my classmates that using ICT and multimedia. This is my friend, John Lay. As you can see, he is using his phone, ICT and multimedia. And this is my classmate, Aaron. As you can see, he's using his Google to search for information and navigate through online platforms.